Young group of Braford cows. Most of these are 3-year-olds. There's a few blacks in here, just in here. There's 70 in here. They're not all walked up right now, but you see what I'm talking about. It's starting to get dark. Again, there's a couple brangers in there, come off the deal. You see in the right here working the calf. There's already some babies on the ground. Kind of October to, looks to be January. October to January calvers. Woo! Good set of Braford females for sure. Again, most of them are all second calvers. Black and beautiful. What are you doing? Woo! Awful nice set of females. Very good natured. And right here is what month in the calf. The October cow, she already has a calf. Woo! Being basically 3 and 4-year-olds, they're really young.